Crazy.
Quick stop. Just a quick stop before we get to our camp. So I'm very keen right now, Kate.
Yeah, I am too.
All right, guys. God damn. Too many flies here, man. Oh my God, Kate, you've got like 20 flies around you. Look at the nature now, man. Look at the nature.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thousands of flies, but otherwise, pretty cool place.
I'm dying.
Oh, baby, few more steps. Is there anything you want to tell our friends?
I'm already regretting this walk.
Keep swimming, keep swimming. Oh la la, guys. All right, all this for this, guys. Alright guys, so we made it back. As I said, guys, if you're going through this point, just stop by. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Like annoying flies, up and down. It's like a lot of sand, you know.
A lot of flies.
Kate, she didn't make it. Almost.
Because I'm lazy.
No, that's not true. Now. So now, guys, we're going to Kate. Where are we going?
We're going to the campsite, so it's in this national park. But
and let's go, guys. Enjoy. Oh.
where are we going?
Are you serious? This is just too good. I feel like I'm in a fucking movie or something.
Hello, Vandims. Alright. So this episode, a little bit too crazy. I know. Now you couldn't see much, so let's play it again and a little bit slower. Oh, what a beautiful campsite this was, guys. I can't even explain how fucking crazy this campsite is. You gotta go there, guys. You gotta go check it out if you are around. You gotta spend the night there. You might have to climb up the mountain as well because it's really super cool, man. I'm telling you. Just climb it up and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you next time.
Hello, mate.